Welcome back to Drive-Thru Kitchen. I'm assuming because you clicked on this one knowing, oh, I've already done a big fat taco and things, but this is the pinnacle of the big fat taco era. This is the crispy chicken. Yes, Chipotle bacon ranch. That's right, folks. I did it. There you go. Crispy chicken deliciousness. It's pretty easy to make, so we don't need to talk much. Let's just make some tacos. Okay, so assembling the crispy chicken big fat tacos. We got both kinds here. They did a few different things. Big fat tacos were around for a while. This was the favorite one. So we have the creamy chipotle sauce right here. Lovely. You saw that video? Right there. They also had the bacon ranch version. Now, in another video, I mentioned that I was trying to figure out the bacon ranch sauce. There isn't one. It's ranch, and there's bacon bits. My bad. All I can say is it was one of those crazy days. I don't know. Anyway, so we have ranch. And we have this. Now, they still have their ranch dressing, and if you look at it, it's pretty similar to this one here. There is no sour cream in theirs. There's no sour cream in this one. I'm cheating and using this. You really should make ranch from scratch. You should pay all your taxes. Come on, we're not perfect people. Chicken. Pay your taxes, people. Don't go to jail for that. Come on, it's a joke. Chicken. This is the Tyson, crispy fried chicken breast strips. This is just thrown in the air fryer or in the oven to make them lovely and crispy. Do you want to bread your own and do the whole thing? Sure. Do you need me to show you how to make a taco if you're already that kind of person? Probably not. Targeting my audience here. We're trying to do this easy. This is fast food. We're not elevating this to fine dining. If you're making your own fried chicken, please leave your address and tell me when to be over for dinner, because you sound awesome. To the rest of us, I'm using the frozen chicken strips here. And they put one giant one in there, and I wasn't sure. Yeah, they fit perfect. I wasn't sure, so I had an extra. Plus, I have a dog. She likes chicken. Should you feed your dog fried chicken strips? No. She's 15. What's she saving it for? Come on. Okay, so the two different kinds. I know she's very healthy, very large, but very healthy. All right, so one of these is getting the creamy one of these is getting the creamy chipotle sauce. You put this on the chicken itself, and I am putting it down here, putting a lot of it in because the chicken gets a little dry. If I'm being honest, it's not the greatest chicken. Should you make it? Okay, make your own chicken. Fine. Ranch, same thing. Oh yeah. Fair amount of ranch. You're gonna need it. Alright. Now, this guy, well, let's go with the bacon first. Okay, we have bacon bits here. Lots of bacon bits. Are these way bigger than theirs? Oh yeah. But yeah, I took some bacon, crispied it up, made it amazing and yummy and awesome. And there, now it is all. This is one of my favorite things to do, by the way, the chicken BLT tacos. Take a piece like this and baconless tomato. Basically, that's what this is. Lettuce, both of these. Oh, yeah, that's looking beautiful. Tomatoes. It's Del Taco. They're famous for their tomatoes. They're fancy about it, too. They do specify tomatoes. Hey, I got them all. Might as well use them all, right? Plus it makes better pictures. This YouTube thing is a bit of a visual medium. Cheese. I'm using a blend of cheddar and jack here. I've got one of those grater things that I grate up my own cheese because it doesn't have that cornstarch on it, or the cellulose or whatever they put on it when you buy the bag cheese. I don't particularly enjoy that myself, so I don't use that. But in this case, you don't need this to melt. You could get away with it. All right, that is how fast and how easy it is to make this once you have all the ingredients done and prepped, you know. Come on. Yeah, that's the creamy chipotle and the bacon ranch crispy chicken big fat tacos from Del Taco. Oh, I'm excited. I can't wait. Plus this extra chicken strip. You know, come on. I'm gonna take the thumbnail, clean up real quick. Be back in 1 second. Okay, thumbnails are done, everything's done. All we have to do is taste these things now. Yeah, it's the eating time. This is becoming my favorite part. There's a lot of prep work that goes into doing a lot of this stuff, getting ready for the video and everything, and then I get to eat this. Oh, it makes it so worth it. Yeah, this Chipotle, that Chipotle sauce is absolutely stunning. It is so good. This is amazing. I can't wait to go in and eat some of this. So I'm taking a bite. That shell is so good. It is so soft. It's buttery soft and amazing, but it still has, you know, a nice, great texture on the outside of it. Great flavor. Great. Oh, big fat tacos are like the perfect taco. Come on. That chipotle sauce in there with the chicken, yeah, they really had something there. That was amazing. I still have another taco right here. I have never actually had the bacon ranch crispy chicken big fat taco. I never ate this one. I don't know why. So I'm excited. This is my first taste here. Yes, we're making a mess because I made them big. Look at me. You think I'm going to make small tacos? It's a big fat taco. It's got my name written all over it. Going in. I'm going to need a minute. Yeah, I'm in a mess. I'm a little lost for words. Me. Why did I never eat that? I was dumb. I was an idiot. I was a moron. I was wrong. There. I said it. You got to remember that, right? You got to remember how great that was. It is. Follow this recipe and trust me, you're going to have the same kind of moment I'm having right now. Because that is so good. If you never ate one of these things, you are in for an amazing surprise. Or quite a treat because, wow. Okay. That's all I have to say about that. There you go. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for... Seriously, you guys are letting me eat this stuff, so keep watching and I'll keep making, and I can't wait till the next thing. And until then, make these recipes, leave me comments, tell me stuff I should be making. What else don't I know? What else didn't I eat? Come on, leave me the comment, let me know. Till then, please have a wonderful day and enjoy some tacos. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.